Want to see how quick two-step stamping is? Let me show you in my latest Joe Tips video. Have you ever been flipping through the Stampin' Up! Catalog and you've come upon a stamp like this and you say, ooh, that looks a little funny. I can see, yeah, there's a punch there to go with it, and I guess you cut these things out. But what about if you don't want to get the punch? Let me show you how to two-step super quick so you can get a really cute card. When you're two-step stamping, it's really important to have a few different colors of ink. So I'm going to be using red and two different blues today. And when you're two-step stamping, you're actually building up your image out of a bunch of different images. So we're going to start with this long piece, which is water. And I am just going to ink it up two ways. So when you ink it up this way for a long stamp like that, it's a little bit easier to get your ink on. So you're just going to stamp that straight down. And then hold on to your paper so that it doesn't lift up too much. Then we're going to stamp the first part of our sailboat. So that's the structure of the sailboat. And we're also going to stamp our water. So this piece here is actually the silhouette on the water, but I don't want it to be as dark as that one. So I'm going to stamp off once, and then I'm going to put it right below so you get that shadow there. We're going to put in our sails here, and one going one way and one going the other way, and then we're going to put in our words. So you can see that we've built up our image by using different colors and different stamps, and it gives you a lot of options, and you can go with any different kinds of colors that you want. So then all I've done is I've taken the card and I've put it onto some other colored cardstock, and it's a super quick way to make a card. So that's what two-step stamping is. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for joining me today. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss another Joe Tips video. And get my emails. Sign up at www.designwithjoe.ca. I share lots of tips and tricks and weekly emails so that you can papercraft quickly and easily.